Let's explore the details of this modified Toyota Sienna, uncovering its unique features, design review, and discussing the modifications in detail. For a subtly upgraded Sienna. Exterior design exploration and discoveries. This Sienna are extensive and eye-catching. Here's what we can observe. Front fascia redesign. The entire front end has been transformed. A new grille with a distinctive mesh pattern replaces the factory one, giving it a more aggressive and sporty look. The headlights appear to be custom designed, featuring a sleeker profile and possibly LED or projector elements for improved illumination. Body kit. The vehicle seems to be equipped with a body kit that includes front and rear bumper extensions, side skirts, and potentially a rear spoiler. These additions lower the visual stance of the van, enhancing its sportiness and aerodynamics. Wheels and tires. The stock wheels have been swapped for larger aftermarket ones with a unique design and finish. Low-profile tires complete the look, emphasizing the performance-oriented aesthetic. Suspension. It's likely that the suspension has been lowered to achieve the aggressive stance. This could be accomplished through lowering springs or a complete coilover kit, which would also improve handling. Custom paint or wrap. While difficult to confirm from the video, the vehicle might have a custom paint job or a vinyl wrap. The color and finish chosen further contribute to its distinct appearance. Interior design review. The interior modifications are not shown in the video, but we can speculate based on common trends in vehicle customization. Upholstery. The seats might have been re-upholstered with high-quality leather or a combination of leather and Alcantara. Contrasting stitching and custom embroidery could add a personalized touch. Trim pieces. The standard plastic trim could have been replaced with carbon fiber, wood grain, or brushed aluminum accents for a more luxurious feel. Infotainment and audio. An upgraded infotainment system with a larger touchscreen display, enhanced navigation, and smartphone integration could be part of the modifications. A premium audio system with additional speakers and a subwoofer might also be installed for a superior sound experience. Ambient lighting. Customizable ambient lighting can set the mood inside the cabin, offering a variety of colors and patterns to suit the driver's preferences. Unique features and design review. This modified Sienna challenges the conventional perception of minivans as purely family-oriented vehicles. It showcases a unique blend of practicality and performance, catering to those who desire a stylish and fun-to-drive minivan. The exterior modifications are bold and well executed, successfully transforming the Sienna's appearance. The lack of information about the interior leaves room for speculation, but we can anticipate that the modifications follow a similar theme of sportiness and luxury. This customized Toyota Sienna exemplifies the adaptability of minivans and the inventiveness of car enthusiasts. It distinguishes itself with striking exterior modifications, featuring a bespoke grille, headlights, body kit, wheels, and possibly a lowered suspension. Although the interior is undisclosed, one could envision it to be just as remarkable, with enhanced upholstery, trim, infotainment system, and sound system. This Sienna is more than just a family hauler. It's a statement of individuality and a celebration of automotive customization. It's a vehicle that challenges conventions and proves that minivans can be stylish, exciting, and fun to drive. Please let me know if you'd like a deeper discussion of any specific aspect of this modified Sienna, or if you have any other questions. Want to share your dream garage with the world? Share this video and tag a friend who needs to see this masterpiece. The SLS might be a modern icon, but the car community thrives on connection. Let's keep the conversation roaring. Hit that like button if you want to see more content that ignites your passion for cars.